Today's unboxing is going to be about on the TRENDnet 2-port USB KVM Switch kit. The 2 ports it supports are VGA and USB. The device monitors with autoscan and audible feedback. High quality resolution of 2048 by 1536, and all of the cables are required except for your mouse, keyboard, and monitor. It shows you some more information of TRENDnet's information. On the back, it tells you that it's a 2-port KVM switch. You're able to manage 2 PCs with keyboard, mouse, monitor. So you can switch between the 2 PCs with a simple press of a button. And KVM switches includes 2 separate sets of KVM cables, including great features such as hot swappable, autoscan, hotkey operations, and audio feedback. Although this one does not, because it does not. There is no input/output for audio, and it gives you a diagram of how you connect it to the switch, and gives you related products. On this side, it shows you the functions, manages 2 computers. It needs a USB mouse, keyboard, and a VGA monitor. Kind of old, but okay. Compliant with Windows based, most of them. Does not include Windows 98, the original, but it does include the SE version. Let's see, high quality, resolution, we already went through that. Multi-platform between PC, Mac, and ease of use. Uses autoscan and LED display for computer monitoring. Computer selection by front panel, push buttons, user definable and hotkey in Windows only, plug and play, and the different packaged content. Now we're going to opening up the box. Okay, it comes with a utility user guide, CD. Comes with a user's manual, quick installation guide, excuse me, and the model number. So this black and white, different languages. Okay, device itself, PC1, PC2. Okay, front, and what the console. Okay, and at the bottom, your extra cables, 1 VGA. Okay, it's connected between this, your VGA and your USB are intertwined. So instead of having 6, you only have 2. Now moving on to the device itself. Opening it up, on the top you have your 2 buttons. Oops, upside down. Your 2 buttons for hot swapping. Your monitor support, so you connect these 2 to the computers of your choice. Then connect this side to your monitor of your choice, and then these 2 for your mouse and keyboard. And I'll be having some more pictures. Thank you for staying tuned to the unboxing of the TRENDnet USB and VGA unboxing.